I'm Paolo Abrera. Let's follow the sustainability efforts of the Province of the Courageous only here on One Small Act.
Considering Batangas Province is a coastal province, we usually focus our efforts on coastal resources management. Under coastal resources management, we have the mangrove rehabilitation management, we have the marine protected area management, and we also support the fishery law enforcement.
Basically, we live in very close proximity to the coastline. Our human activities obviously have an impact. What is the biggest problem?
Let's start on solid waste.
The municipal government of Cuenca, through the Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office, launched the Cartoons for Community Sorter program in partnership with private companies. Mahalaga yung pagkakaroon namin ng ganitong mga programa dahil yun yung sagot namin para ma-implement namin yung Republic Act 9003. Pag nag-sort na tayo ng ating mga waste, nagkakaroon tayo ng waste reduction, then nagkakaroon tayo ng waste diversion para hindi na mapunta agad-agad sa landfill. Then yung makukolect nila, magkakaroon kami ng incentivize para bigyan sila ng mga certain amount. Sa 1,000 pesos, may kakapatan siyang 300 kilograms ng UBC, used beverage cartons.
This is Paolo Abrera reminding everyone that we may have a daunting task ahead of us, but we've got the solution as long as we all pitch in. And it all begins with one small act.